Hey, Captain Dirty Face checking in on a 1, 2. That's just what's going on. You know, slap.
Rondo, I finna slam dunk. Get big on you fake pumps. That bump in them fake pump. Bitch fell for the pump fake. Got him talking like first take. Get it right on the first take. Hit the hole in the first take.
It's the legendary Qualo Smoke birthday, man. They're going up for Qualo Smoke birthday. Gang in this bitch.
Slam at this. What's happening? What's happening?
Damn.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Thank you guys. I appreciate it.
Happy birthday, my boy. You know what the fuck going on.
With the rest of get slapped.
You already know what the fuck going on.
Hey man, look. Everybody go subscribe. Native Sounds YouTube channel, please.
What's he not?
Please, that'll be a good GDay gift.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Qualo.
Happy
Go ahead, my G.
Oh, you praying?
I'm working.
Yeah. Nigga, I burned my feet.
God damn, Kima, this
That's
ain't
your shot. You got
Pour up goddamn cups.
fucking bazooka.
Y'all, I did not in 7 seconds.
Hey, keep it poured up cup.
7 seconds?
That's a
That
real
shit
shot.
sound like a long fucking time. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Happy birthday.
No smoke.
That was a triple shot.
Shit wasn't that bad.
It was a double boo. Double.
Alright. Ooh. Native Sound. Real raw shit. Hey. If you want us to go somewhere anytime soon, might as well be Tom Cruise. That mission's impossible. Yeah, it's improbable. Think that we worry about obstacles stopping us, nigga, no way. Heard of them hoes, no one knows, and Qualo knows. I'm probably high with a red bitch if you see us together. Just call us the Halo Road. Shout out to DMX. Was a rough ride, but the nigga had to pay them road. Now it's smooth selling. I'm a convicted felon. Couldn't really get no job. Now I see why niggas slaying that hard and raw. It was legit. Rocking them polo socks. A nigga been thinking outside that box. You can never box me in, bitch. I'ma just break the lock. After that, nigga gon' raise the stock. As not stop, niggas gon' hate it. Bitches gon' love it. You know me, I'm a man of the ladies. I'm tired of these niggas on losing my patience. Admit we the best, accept and embrace you. Popping on IG and real like you basic. I'm trying to be greater than Turbo. Ooh, hey. Taking these niggas to school for days and I don't take no furloughs. No, I'm hot as a motherfucking fur coat, bro. In the middle of June. Wasn't the same back then and this is not the same too. Hey, I guess some Tommy Hill figure. Niggas fuck with me, but I don't fuck with niggas. Too much snake shit, can't trust a nigga with my day ones and they A1. Yeah, I can put my trust in them, treat the rap gang like a slut. Been fucking this bitch for years, I'm breaking the tears. Now I'm finna bust my nut. Nigga, what's up? And I'm trying to get busted up. Bitch, triple up. Hey, I'm done.
Yeah. 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 Ay, 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 ay. It was us, her and me, VIP. We was vibing, shouting, shaking that ass. Not for real, pussy popping, say she living with me after this. Now we riding, panties get to sliding, head bobbing.
I'm such a fucking lady. I'm gonna take it out.
Taking the horses down the old town road right now.
Native Sound taking over. Regardless of what these niggas might say, think,
Ordered up another round. Baby took another sip. Shouted, use a waitress, not a dancer. Why you trying to strip? Trying to make a double flip. A hustle, so I'm loving it.
I just left the club with Fiji, really need a squeegee. She say, oh, you don't believe me? Grab some floaties, this that season. Now we swimming, dripping. I ain't talking clothes, no gunner on these hoes. Had to lay the smackdown raw, ain't even put a rubber on. People's elbow in that pussy, wrestle up under the covers. And she catching feelings, dawg. I ain't even say I love her. Tell her bring a friend, I need to like I'm Thugger. Danny Glover, shooting movies, this a flick. I swear that they with all the shit.
She make Wednesdays feel like the weekend, the way she loving the crew. I just got a new spot, and she wanna come through. She make Wednesdays feel like the weekend, the way she loving the crew. I just got a new spot, and she wanna come through. I just left the club with another bitch, that other chick. Ordered up another round, baby took another sip. Shouty, you's a waitress, not a dancer. Why you tryna strip? You tryna make a double flip or hustle? So I just left the club with another bitch, that other chick. Ordered up another round, baby took another sip. Shouty, you's a waitress, not a dancer. Why you tryna strip? You tryna make a double flip or hustle? So I'm loving it.
Now they started doing tricks, I guess they thinking I'm a trick, but I just wanna see a double flip. Some hustlers, but I'm loving it. Right plan, wrong man, find another sucker. Never got along with police, no, I never been a cuffer. If you think you get some money, then I swear you bout to suffer. All you get is free dick. Girl, I ain't no sweet lick, letting them have it. After I get finished doing some drastic, I'm out of traffic. Both of them ride me like I was a taxi. She was fantastic, she was fantastic.
She make Wednesdays feel like the weekend, the way she loving the crew. I just got a new spot, and she wanna come through. She make Wednesdays feel like the weekend, the way she loving the crew. I just got a new spot, and she wanna come through. I just left the club with another bitch, that other chick. Ordered up another round, baby took another sip. Shouty, you's a waitress, not a dancer. Why you tryna strip? You tryna make...
Hey, Captain Dirty Face checking in on a 1, 2, and just what going on, you know. Slap. Bro, what the fuck? Hey, big cut up there, boy.
What is wrong with you? Nobody. Right. Slim, nobody. Right.
Y'all, you know some leak shit.
Hey, Parlay. Trey.
Parlay.
I don't know his name no more.
I'm putting my beef to a temporary pause just for the day.
What you mean, bro?
Putting my beef to a temporary. He ain't gonna smoke
Are they
today.
on the
Not
wrong
today.
side?
Not
Who's on
today.
the wrong side?
Oh,
All of them?
Oh, it's called Smoke with Smoke.
Oh,
Smoke with Smoke.
Smoke with Smoke, nigga.
I like that segment.
I've been working on the tape for 3 days. Shit over with, nigga. When I see this nigga's done. Smoke with Smoke. Smoke with Smoke, nigga, coming soon.
Hey.
I'm an outright Quay beat up Chuck. You know how it go. I'm about to demolish nigga. That shit over with. Over with. Hey, I can't let you beat up Chuck though, bro. No, you can't beat up Chuck. That nigga Slim got anal beads on his camera. God,
Anal beads. You a freaky ass nigga, bro. I ain't never heard no nigga say no freaky shit like that.
Yeah, that
This
big
shit
guy.
called a gorilla pie.
That big guy. God damn, gorilla beads. That's the real deal, man. Hey, Sam. That boy got horny as hell when he looked at your camera.
Yeah, them anal beads. Them anal beads right there. I know what to do with them.
Slim, you don't use them? Yeah.
And 3 of them. You put 1 in the ass, 2 of them up in there. I knew.
But I ain't even gonna touch that hoe. Already know a nigga come through like Aaron Rodgers getting 100 hoes. Butter something. Fuck around, I might put it in the damn butter something.
Oh, nasty nigga.
Nasty nigga, but yo girl gon' motherfucking let me eat that butter something.
You nasty too. I'm down there. Smoke with no smoke. Can't have smoke with no smoke.
Can't have smoke with no motherfucking smoke.
Another
I be
motherfucking
looking
year.
for a nigga, baby mama. I might put the all in her throat.
Yeah.
Chillin' in the crib with my
Whoa.
And we out.
WWE.
Yeah.
Shout out Sit Downs with Slim.
Shout out.
Shout out to Sit Downs with Slim.
Shout out Sit Downs with Slim.
I just left the club with another bitch, that other chick. Ordered up another round, baby took another sip. Shouty, you's a waitress, not a dancer. Why you tryna strip? You tryna make a double flip or hustle? So I'm